Pioneer AV-HX4800BS 7 inches motorized DVD receiver. DVD, CD receiver with internal amp, 14 watts RMS-CEA 2650 peak X 4 channels. Built-in Bluetooth for hands-free calling and audio streaming, supports 2 phones at once. Siri eyes free with compatible devices. Built-in iPod, iPhone, and iPad control optional adapter required for viewing video content. Works with SiriusXM Sxv300 tuner, supports new tune mix, traffic and weather now, and sports flash features. Item weight, 1 pounds. Product dimensions, 11 by 9.5 by 6 inches. Item model number, X4800BS. Chassis size, double DIN. Preamp voltage, 4 volts. Display type, TFT LCD. Wireless remote, no. Expansion, Bluetooth built-in. Memory card slot, MP3, CD+RW, DVD+RW. Media playback supported, CD/DVD/MP3/WMA/WAV/AAC/FLAC/WMV/BT/Sirius/AppRadio, Spotify. Weight, 6 pounds. Legal disclaimer. This product contains chemicals known to the state of California to cause cancer and birth defects or other reproductive harm. To purchase this product, link in the description.